Good morning, everyone. This is Sandhya from Ashoka Universal School, Ashoka Marg branch. Today, we are going to learn the map pointing of some cities. Now, before we go with the map pointing of the cities, let's see which cities we have to mark. So, the cities that we have to mark is the city Srinagar, Chandigarh, Delhi, Allahabad, Kolkata, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Visakhapatnam, Bengaluru, Chennai, and Kochi. Before marking the cities, remember we have to mark the cities with a small circle and we have to fill that circle with red color. While marking the cities, I am going to give you certain clues which you have to remember, which will make your work easy. The first city that we are going to mark is Srinagar. Srinagar lies at the starting point of Jhelum River. This line is the Jhelum River and this is the starting point of Jhelum River. So exactly on the starting point of Jhelum River, we have to mark a circle. This circle has to be filled with red color pencil. And we have to label this again with the help of the pointer and capital letters. Now, let's mark the second city. The second city is Chandigarh. Chandigarh is the capital of Punjab and Haryana. We have to remember, again, the help of the Satluj River, we will remember. This is the U-turn of Satluj River. This line is Satluj River. And this is the U-turn of Satluj River. Just below that, at this place, we have to mark a city. And this city is Chandigarh. This is river Yamuna. So, we have to mark in between these two lines. This is Yamuna and this is Satluj River. Just below the U-turn of the Satluj River, here I am going to mark a circle. Okay, you have to remember the clue of this U-turn. Then let's fill that with red color. Again, label it. So this is Chandigarh. Now let's go to Delhi. For Delhi, you have to take the clue of the southern tip of Nepal. This is the boundary of Nepal. This line is the boundary of Nepal. This is the southern tip of Nepal. From this point, let us draw a straight line. With the help of scale, you can draw this line connecting Yamuna River. Okay, I've taken the southern tip of Nepal, southern tip of Nepal. From there, a straight line we have drawn till Yamuna River. Now Delhi lies to the west side of Yamuna, means this side of Yamuna. This is the west side of Yamuna and this is the east side of Yamuna. So west side of Yamuna, Delhi lies. It is on the banks of river Yamuna. So we have to draw the circle connecting the Yamuna river this way. The circle should connect the Yamuna river, but the circle should not cross the Yamuna river. This circle should not come here. It should be west side, this side. Now fill that with red color. Again, with the help of the pointer, let's mark this as Delhi. Right? Now, let's go to Allahabad. While drawing Allahabad, remember, Allahabad lies on the confluence of river Yamuna and Ganga. Now, which line is Yamuna river? This line is Yamuna river. This line flows in, the Yamuna river flows in this direction, this way. Right? It will come and connect the river Ganga at this place. I will repeat. Yamuna river flows in this direction, comes and connects the river Ganga at this place. And this is river Ganga. The Ganga river flows in this manner and goes in Bangladesh from this point. So Yamuna river connects Ganga river at this place. So this place we have to draw the city Allahabad at this point. Exactly at that joint you have to mark a circle. Do not get confused with this joint and this joint. Leave these two. The third one we have to take. Again fill that with red color. and label it. So this is Allahabad. The clue was Yamuna connecting Ganga. So at that particular joint we have marked the circle. Now let's go to the city Kolkata. For Kolkata I am going to take the reference of this black point. You can see this black point on the boundary of India. Just above that, at this place lies Kolkata. This is the boundary of Bangladesh, which we don't have to cross. So exactly at this point, just above that black point, we have to draw a circle. While drawing that circle, see that it doesn't cross the boundary line. Fill the circle with red color. Again, label it. So this is Kolkata. Now let's mark the next city, that is Vishakhapatnam. For Vishakhapatnam, the clue that is taken is the river Mahanadi. You can see here the U-turn of Mahanadi here. Can you see carefully? Okay. Just from this U-turn of Mahanadi, with the help of scale, you have to draw a straight line. Wherever the line connects the coast of India, exactly at this place lies Vishakhapatnam. It is the coastal city in Andhra Pradesh. So we have to draw a circle at this point where the line is connecting the coast. A circle we have to draw, and this circle is Vishakhapatnam. Again a coastal city. So let us mark that with a pointer. So this is Vishakhapatnam. Now let's mark Hyderabad. The clue that is taken for Hyderabad is the joint of Tungabhadra. From the joint of Tungabhadra till Godavari river, a line has been drawn. That is your reference line. We have to draw a circle in the center of these two rivers. This is Godavari river and this is Krishna river. So center of these two rivers. And the circle should not cross that line. The circle should be close to this line. But it should not cross the line and go to Maharashtra. And we have to fill the circle with red color. So the clue was from Tungabhadra a straight line till Godavari, and you have to draw the circle in the center of these two rivers, that is Godavari and Krishna, at this place, right? Now let's label it. Okay, so this is Hyderabad. Now let's go to the next city. The next city is Mumbai. Can you see this black color spot here on the boundary of India? That spot you have to remember to mark Mumbai. Exactly on that spot at the coastal area the city is. So connect the circle to the coast. The circle should connect the coast. That black spot you have to remember. And now let's label this again with a pointer as Mumbai. The next city that we are going to mark is the city Bangalore and Chennai. Bangalore and Chennai lies on the same latitude. So the clue that we have to remember is the Krishna river. Okay. The clue that we have to remember is the Kaveri river, not the Krishna river, the Kaveri river. Let's see now. The Kaveri river is this river. Just exactly this U-turn of Kaveri river, I have drawn one line. And from the starting point of Kaveri river, we have to draw one horizontal line. This is your reference line. In exam, we have to remove this line. So after drawing this horizontal line, passing from the starting point of Kaveri river, connecting the southeast coast, a line has to be drawn. At this U-turn of Kaveri river, one more line I have drawn. Here exactly at this point lies Bangalore, and here lies Chennai. Chennai is a coastal city, so the circle will connect the coast. Bangalore and Chennai both lie on the same latitude. So let's now label them. Okay. So this city is Bengaluru. And this city is Chennai. Now let's go to the next city. The next city is Kochi. For Kochi, again I have taken the boundary of India as clue. You can see here the boundary looks like a nose. Okay, so from here a straight line has been drawn to the southwest coast of India. Again, Kochi is a coastal city, so connecting the coast, a circle has to be drawn. Where the line connects the coast, there a circle has to be drawn. So this is Kochi. So here we have drawn Kochi, Bangalore and Chennai. Right? Now let's see the importance of each city and the clues again. I'll revise the clues again. The starting point of Srinagar is, the starting point of Jhelum river is the clue where you have to mark the circle for Srinagar, the capital of Jammu and Kashmir. The U-turn of the Satluj river is the clue. Just below that you have to draw the circle. The city, Chandigarh. Delhi, for Delhi you have to remember the southern boundary of Nepal. From there you draw a straight line till Yamuna, and west side of Yamuna you have to draw the circle. This is Delhi. Right? Now let's go to Allahabad. For Allahabad, the joint of Yamuna you have to remember. So the Yamuna river flows in this manner and connects the river Ganga at this place. So at this place, the city Allahabad has to be shown. It is on the confluence of Yamuna and Ganga. Kolkata, the clue is the black point here. You have to remember this black point. Just above this black point, you have to draw a circle. Do not cross this line. This line is Bangladesh boundary. So do not cross this line. Just beside this line, above this black color point, you have to draw a circle. This is Kolkata. This is Mahanadi river. Just below this U-turn of Mahanadi, a straight line has been drawn connecting the coast of India. So this U-turn you have to remember. From there with the scale you can draw a line. Wherever the line connects the coast, there you have to draw the circle. This circle should connect the coast as Visakhapatnam is a coastal city. Afterwards this line has to be removed with the eraser in the exam. This is your reference line. The next city that we are going to show is Hyderabad. Hyderabad, the joint of Tungabhadra, from there to Godavari river we have to draw a line, and the circle has to be drawn in between Godavari and Krishna river at the center. This circle should not cross this line. In exam, this line later on we have to remove after marking the circle. This circle will be labeled as Hyderabad. Hyderabad is the capital of Andhra and Telangana. Mumbai, the clue is the black color point. Again a circle should connect the coast and you have to mark the city Mumbai, the commercial capital of India. Mumbai is called the commercial capital of India. Then let's go to Bangalore, the IT capital of India. Bangalore is the IT capital of India. The clue to mark Bangalore and Chennai both lie on the same latitude. So from starting point of Kaveri, draw a straight line till the east coast. And from the U-turn of Kaveri river, just draw a T. Here lies Bangalore and this is Chennai, the coastal city. Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. It's a coastal city, so the circle should connect the coast. Kochi lies in Kerala. It exports coffee on a large scale from India. Remember this coastal area of India which looks like nose. So from this point I have drawn a straight line to the southwest coast and a circle has been drawn. And this circle should be connecting the coast as Kochi is the coastal city. So this is Kochi. Visakhapatnam, remember it has the largest shipbuilding industry in India. Kolkata is the port which exports tea on the large scale. So Kolkata is the largest exporter of black tea in the world. And Kolkata is also a riverine port because it is on the river Hooghly. Allahabad is the city from where the Indian Standard Time passes. IST passes through Allahabad. Delhi is the capital of India. Chandigarh is the capital of Punjab and Haryana. And Srinagar is the capital of Jammu and Kashmir. I hope you understood all the cities. So, thank you.